Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Scotch Elementary, home of the Scotties, in West Bloomfield School District, West Bloomfield, Michigan. True honor. Got to speak to all the grades today, grades 3 through 5, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, students and staff. And the main message focused all around bullying, but more than that, on the power of kindness, and that we look at someone's heart before anything else, right? That we see somebody for who they truly are as a human being before anything else, and that our heart is big as our fist. If we're able to let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? One finger ourself, the other someone that we're trying to lift up even higher than ourself by treating that person with love and knowing that in just 2 seconds we can either uplift somebody for the rest of their life, something that we do or say stays on their heart in a positive way, or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can do something that might stay on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And the kids really got this concept. So many of them that I got to speak to at all the lunches, I stayed for those too, and they got to share their hearts with me. And some of them are going through some situations, whether it's at home or something in the past, some type of pain, that they've been bullied in the past, but they're starting to see that they don't have to take that personal, that they can still choose to turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, and still be that light to someone else's heart that really needs it, that might be hurting themselves. It might be why they're bullying in the first place, right? To still be able to show that compassion and that empathy for that other individual, to not only get our power back, but to hopefully affect their life in a great way, that they start to show that kindness themselves, right? That it kind of becomes contagious. And a big part of that is understanding the power of who we all are. And that starts with seeing this on each of our hands. We all have the lines of our hand, the letter M for miracle on each palm. I traced one of mine here, like it says on the front of the shirt, M for miracle, upside down, W for West Bloomfield, no, for worthy. And that means that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, that we all deserve love. And now it's up to us to go out and be that change and spread that kindness and do it on a daily basis, because this planet desperately needs more of that human kindness. And so all these students to really grasp that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not everyone matters, right? What matters is what we believe and what we hopefully know and what our true best friends believe, which is this, that they can see us for their heart first, we can see them for their heart first, and go out and start to make this world a better place, start to really truly heal this earth. So again, thank you so much for the opportunity. It was an amazing day. Got to meet so many great faces, and I'm never going to forget all of you guys, all of your hearts. I thank you for all the gifts you gave me, all the thank you letters and all the words of kindness and encouragement as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell you'll see on the screen here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button too to stay updated for future videos just like this. You'll see another amazing playlist with some great clips of me and my journey across this nation. And check out the website, mrpeace.org, for more on my schedule and upcoming events. Much love. Peace.